I take advantage of any chance I can, because free money is not, something, especially in today's economy, it's not something we can bank on often. But Fidelity, they're looking out. They're looking out for us, y'all. They are looking out. And I want us to take advantage of the opportunity that you can make a 200% return just by starting an account. So what is it? It's called the Fidelity Starter Pack. And for a limited time, Fidelity is giving $100 to you if you deposit at least $50 into your new account. It breaks down exactly what the starter pack is. It's the Fidelity brokerage, standard brokerage account, which I have. It's also the spending and savings Fidelity cash management account. And they're also including the educational portion, which you'll get. And it's a whole lot of free information and podcasts, webcasts, and all that great stuff. But let's go through them one by one. So what is the Fidelity account? It's a brokerage account for investing towards short and long-term goals. There's no fees or minimum balances to open this account. There's 0% commission for online stocks and ETF trades. And just to put that in perspective, about 7-8 years ago, it used to cost you money to buy stock. It used to cost you money to sell a stock. So it could have been anywhere from $7 to $20. It depended on the broker and how much you had in your account and all that other stuff. But in today's market, which is why I am preaching this from every hilltop I can, it is completely free on all best-in-class platforms to buy stock and sell stock, including ETFs. And so whenever I say stocks, I'm including ETFs in that. You can even buy fractional shares on Fidelity. And this is the other reason why I'm focusing on Fidelity tonight, because for beginner investors, fractional shares are key. If you want to invest $50 every pay period, you're not going to be able to buy a full share of, Amazon at this point, which I think today it was in the 80s, or Apple, or any of the big companies, but you can buy fractional shares each and every pay period. So if you get paid bi-monthly, twice a month, you can go ahead and buy a fractional share of Apple, a fractional share of Google, or a particular ETF, which tracks. Remember, if you did the course, then you'll know the ETFs track a certain category within the stock market. So again, you can buy fractional shares at Fidelity. Not all brokers, not all best-in-class brokers allow you the opportunity to buy fractional shares. So that is a great service that Fidelity offers. And for all of my young family members, it's the preferred broker that I send, them to, because who wants to be worried? Oh, I can't buy, I have to save until I can buy a particular share. That shouldn't be part of the equation. The other account that you can open and take advantage of this, get $100 for investing $50, is the Fidelity Cash Management account. And this is the account that you use. Well, let me just go through the bullets. There's also no fee or minimum balance to open. ATM fees are automatically reimbursed. Isn't that a wonderful thing? You do not have to worry about giving your money away to a service to get your money. So if you need your money from an ATM and it says $3, Fidelity will reimburse you those $3. But please, there are caveats. Go deeper, but most standard ATMs. Mobile deposits and transfers, free bill pay, and account is truly like a traditional bank account, but it's within a brokerage house. And then you get to learn more about your journey as an investor. So you could subscribe to the Fidelity Smart Money newsletter. They have on-demand investing webinars. and Women Talk Money. That's a great, I mean, listen, if you're a woman, right? One of the pet peeves that I have about this industry and conversation, it's so male dominated. And a lot of times women may not feel comfortable in those spaces with, like I said, even just trying to search for a YouTube channel that I could just post, oh, here, this is how you open a Fidelity account and take advantage of this bonus, all male. And so again, I love the fact that they're offering this to women to feel more comfortable. And then listening to the Fidelity Fresh Invest podcast to learn about the market and to stay up to date. So the more education, like we say, we stay woke. I don't know if you can see my shirt. Let me show it to you. That's the mission over here, right? We are the woke community, and we stay woke. We know that wealth is obtained through knowledge and education. So, we want all the free research that we can get, and that will help us in the future. So yeah, so those are let me just get back to the page, make sure I'm sharing. Okay, yeah. So that is what the Fidelity Starter Pack is. It goes into how you can get your $100, your free money, honey. Free money, honey. Let me tell you, from my personal experience, this once again will be gifts to people. Think about it. You give somebody $50 to open an account, they get a free $100. That's $150, but you only paid $50. It's a beautiful thing. And you're giving them the gift of assets, which will, over the long term, because we only talk long term, historically has proven will appreciate. So how do you get your $100? You first have to open an eligible account. And an eligible account is, you don't have to do both accounts. You can pick which account you want. And so you can open either the full starter pack, which are the 2 accounts plus the education. You can open just a standard Fidelity brokerage account. You could open a standard Fidelity cash management account. You can open a Roth IRA or a traditional IRA. So for those employed, or if you're employed or self-employed and you generate an income, check to see if you've maxed out your IRA contributions. And I don't know offhand, I don't remember offhand, but it's between $6,000 and $7,000 and change, depending on your age each year, that you can put into a Roth IRA, which is post-tax. So after you've gotten paid, all your taxes came out, you invest into a Roth IRA, or a traditional IRA, which is pre-tax. So if you haven't already maxed out, find $50, open another account, and go ahead and put $50 in there so you can get that $100. And if you want to put more. But at minimum, get your 200% return on your investment. And then you have to fund your account within 15 days of you opening that account. So if you open your account tonight, within 15 days of tonight, you have to fund that account to be eligible. I wouldn't wait until that 15th day, because Murphy's Law, right? Whatever can go wrong will go wrong. So I would try to fund it ASAP so that I don't even have to think about it. I don't have to worry about it. But if you have to wait, then wait but get it done. Get it done before that 15th day, because after the 15th day, they are not obligated, nor will they give you the free money, the free $100. And then you get paid. So after you fund the account within 15 days, they will pay you. They will deposit $100 within 25 days of your account being opened. So it may be sooner. So if you open the account today, fund it tomorrow, then you could get paid 10, 15 days later, maybe sooner. But if you wait to fund it 15 days later, then it can take another 10 days for them to fund the account. So that's where the 25 days comes from. So yes, go ahead. So if you prefer to open a single account, get that $100 when you open any of the 4 accounts and deposit $50 or more. So once again, these are the 4 accounts that you can choose from. And just to reiterate, NerdWallet, which is the gold standard of reviewing a lot of the banks and brokerages and credit cards and things like that, in 2022, named Fidelity the best online broker for IRA investing, the best online broker for beginner investors, and the best app for investing overall. So, I mean, Fidelity, I can't say enough great. I've been with Fidelity the longest too, and I really appreciate their service. I also hold a Fidelity credit card, and you get a percentage back to reinvest based on your spending. It's amazing. It's a beautiful thing.